Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how to find the SWIFT code of Oman Arab Bank, which is essential for making or receiving any kind of international money transfers safely and correctly. So in the first method, you will have to come here on omanarabbank.com. Once you are here, you can just simply scroll down here on the bottom of this page and you can just simply look for the contact us option, or you can also click on this phone icon here in the bottom. So what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you on the contact us page of Oman Arab Bank, where you can just simply look for the Swift code option and you can look for any of the articles that is relating to the Swift code. In that particular article, you are going to get the Swift code of this bank. Now, if this method doesn't work, you can also use the second method, in which you will have to come here on bank.codes/Swift code search. I will also put the link of this particular page down in the description. So once you are here, first of all, simply select your country, which in our case is Oman. After that, you will have to select the bank account, which in our case is Oman Arab Bank. Then you will have to select the city, and after that it is going to show you the Swift code based on the information that you have entered over here. Make sure that you enter the right Swift code before initiating any kind of international transfers to ensure that your money reaches to the correct destination without any delay. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and also stay tuned for more quick and helpful banking tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.